Have you ever felt that there are corners of our world that still hold deep, ancient secrets? Places that defy logic and make even the most brilliant scientists scratch their heads? Well, today, we are diving headfirst into the abyss of the unknown. We are going on a journey to 5 of the most mysterious places on Earth, where the laws of nature seem to bend and the line between fact and fiction blurs. So, buckle up, because things are about to get weird. Our first stop takes us to the desolate, sun-scorched landscape of Death Valley, California. But we are not here for the heat. We are here for the sailing stones of Racetrack Playa. Imagine this: massive rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, moving across a flat, dry lake bed, leaving long, distinct trails behind them. For decades, no one ever saw them move. It was a complete enigma. Theories ranged from powerful winds and ice sheets to magnetic fields and even paranormal activity. Recently, scientists did manage to capture the phenomenon. It turns out a rare combination of thin ice sheets forming after rainfall, light winds, and the sun melting the ice creates just enough push to slide these heavy boulders. But here's the kicker: this explanation only accounts for some of the movements. Many of the tracks, especially the older, more complex ones with sharp turns and parallel paths, still don't quite fit the model. It seems Mother Nature isn't ready to give up all her secrets just yet. Next, let's travel across the globe to the heart of Transylvania, Romania. Deep within this land of legends lies the Hoia Baciu Forest, often called the Bermuda Triangle of Romania. This isn't your average spooky forest. Visitors report intense feelings of anxiety, nausea, and the strange sensation of being watched. Electronic devices mysteriously fail, and compasses spin wildly. But the most famous feature is a strange, perfectly circular clearing in the middle of the woods where nothing grows. Soil samples have been tested, and there's no scientific reason why vegetation shouldn't thrive there. What's more, the forest is a hotspot for UFO sightings and strange light phenomena. Photographs taken in the woods often show inexplicable orbs and shadowy figures that were invisible to the naked eye. People who have entered the forest have even reported missing time, emerging hours later with no memory of what happened. While skeptics point to natural geological formations or psychological suggestion, the sheer volume and consistency of these strange occurrences make Hoia Baciu a place that truly defies a simple explanation. Now, let's head south to a place of ancient, monumental mystery, the Nazca Lines in Peru. Etched into the arid desert floor are over 1,000 geoglyphs, massive drawings of animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Some of these figures are so large they can only be fully appreciated from the sky. Created by the ancient Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, their purpose remains one of archaeology's greatest puzzles. How did they create these incredibly precise lines and figures without the ability to see them from above? And more importantly, why? Were they astronomical calendars, pathways for religious rituals, or messages to celestial gods? One theory suggests they were related to water rituals, pointing to sources of precious groundwater in the desert. But that doesn't explain the intricate depictions of a spider, a hummingbird, or the famous astronaut figure. The precision and scale of the Nazca Lines are a testament to the incredible ingenuity of an ancient people, but their ultimate meaning is a secret that may be lost to the sands of time. Our fourth destination takes us beneath the waves to the coast of Japan, to the Yonaguni Monument. Discovered by a scuba diver in 1986, this submerged structure has sparked a massive debate. Is it a natural rock formation, or is it a man-made pyramid, a lost city swallowed by the sea? The monument features massive, tiered platforms with flat terraces, sharp, 90-degree angles, and what appear to be carved steps and pillars. It looks astonishingly artificial. Geologists argue that sandstone naturally fractures along straight planes, and that the features can be explained by natural erosion and tectonic activity. However, many who have dived there, including the original discoverer, are convinced it's an artifact. They point to features that look like a turtle carving and other seemingly intentional shapes. If it is man-made, it would predate the Egyptian pyramids by thousands of years, completely rewriting our understanding of early human civilization. Is it a fantastic geological quirk or evidence of a lost Pacific continent, an ancient Mu? The debate rages on, hidden beneath the ocean surface. Finally, we arrive at our last, and perhaps most baffling, location, the Hessdalen Lights in Norway. In this remote valley, strange, unexplained lights have been appearing in the sky for decades. They're not just flickers, they are bright, floating orbs of light, white, yellow, or red, that can hang stationary for over an hour or zip across the valley at incredible speeds. They've been observed, filmed, and studied by scientists since the 1980s, who have set up an automated research station to track them. Yet, there is still no consensus on what they are. Theories range from piezoelectricity generated by the Valle's unique geology to a type of plasma bubble, or even a form of cold fusion occurring in the atmosphere. Some researchers suggest the valley acts as a giant natural battery due to the different rocks on either side of the river. But none of these theories fully explain the light's intelligent-seeming behavior, their varied shapes, and their silent, rapid movements. The Hessdalen lights remain a genuine, ongoing scientific mystery, a nightly light show put on by forces we simply do not understand. From sailing stones and haunted forests to desert drawings, underwater cities, and celestial lights, our planet is filled with wonders that challenge our knowledge and ignite our imagination. These places remind us that for all our scientific progress, there are still profound mysteries waiting to be solved. Perhaps some questions aren't meant to have easy answers. They exist to keep us curious, to keep us exploring, and to keep us looking up at the sky in wonder. What do you think is behind these phenomena? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, stay curious.